Let's talk about some of the ways that we can keep track of security and what's going on with security. There is a screen in the control panel called Security and Maintenance. Now, it used to be in Windows 7 and earlier versions that this little icon down here called the Action Center would bring up the security settings. That's no longer true in Windows 10, and so we have to get to it another way. I'm just going to go ahead and type Security and Maintenance, and you can see it right here in the control panel, or I could have just gone to the control panel into the System and Security, and then Security and Maintenance. And here you see these two screens, Security and Maintenance. Fancy that. So I can now look at my firewalls. I can look at my virus protection. Let's look at the virus protection. I can see what my settings are for my virus protection. Oops, how in the world did I get back out of that? Let's go back. Let's go look at the firewall, and I can see if my firewall is on or off, and so on. So I have some basic settings here and by the way, notice that this goes to the settings screen instead of the control panel. Again, we go back and forth between those different items. So here's where I can check and set a lot of my settings for the firewall and virus protection in this Security and Maintenance screen.